Hi. I posted a video of Imogen reacting to her Shopify counter going up over the weekend.
6 orders.
There were 6 orders, and we went from the first 2 orders, which were from my dear colleagues.
And we got 4 more orders.
And off TikTok, or at least I think it's off TikTok from the feedback I've been getting, some lovely customers, lovely people have come off TikTok, gone to our website and placed an order. So we sold 6 candles over the weekend. So I've boxed them all up, and if I move these out of the way, Imogen, you can write the thank you cards. So in no particular order. Oh, where's your pens? So we're gonna write there.
What's
So Leanne D.
Should I put a D?
No, you don't do D. I just don't want to say people's full names on YouTube. So Leanne, can you just follow that spelling? Le, E, A, N, E. So Leanne has ordered this tin candle, which we've boxed up, and I think it can go in a 5x5x5 box. Oops, not that one. So I've stamped our logo on a box.
Is it going to get shipped in this box?
Yeah, and we've
So
used.
it's going to get sent with the MSN logo on it.
So put some water activated tape to close the bottom of the box, and if you want to get some Wotsits, you can. Oh my goodness, pop some in. So these are made out of starch and they're fully biodegradable. Even if you get them wet, they'll
Do you need a bit more?
dissolve. Yeah, a bit more, and then we'll put the candle in. So you want to make sure if this box is dropped that Leanne's candle is. So pop that in. You can put a little bit more. There you go. And then if you pack them. So if we show the camera. So we've got our candle in there, Leanne's Christmas spice candle. And if you top up around the box, so it's a box in a box. And this is the first time we're sending, so hopefully this is going to be enough packing. So yeah, just sprinkle loads in. You need loads more. It's better to make sure that you have plenty. We'll get it all in the nooks and crannies, and I think that's enough. And then we'll put the packing slip in. Probably put that down the side actually.
Or you can put this one on top.
And then we'll put the thank you card on top, so that when it's open, you see the thank you note. Right, so I'm going to seal these and put the mailing label on because I think it's going to be seen in your bedtime, so I'll do that. And we also can't show addresses on YouTube, so that way I won't have to do the whole fuzzy blanking out anything. Right, next in no particular order. Oh, so this is our new kind of square shape candle care card on one side and a little thank you. Thank you for your order, you're helping us to plant a tree and to get in touch with us. So this is another Leanne G this time, with a, okay, where is it? A pain au chocolat glass jar candle.
Is it spelling?
Yeah, do you remember? You can follow that.
Kind of. I can see.
It's very exciting because we've gone from no orders to a couple of orders to suddenly we're up to 6. So this will need a slightly larger box, so 5x5x5. And again, if you can pour in some Wotsits, please. Yeah, I'm in there. And I think this could go in the smaller box, but because it's glass, a bit more. I have a massive bag of them somewhere I bought in. So luckily I kind of kept them. I can't remember a bit more. Yeah, and then pour that whole load in. It's going to need all of those. So luckily I've kept a load of these Wotsits, and we might have to get some more. So that's, now if you go, I think I've left it in the kitchen, there's a big bag. This is what happens when I'm doing so many things at once. I just forget where I put stuff. Or it could be age. Yeah, let's just say I'm doing too many
There's
things.
nothing in here.
There's nothing in there. What about in the utility? It's a bag. You won't miss it. Or is it over here? It's here. You just walk straight past it. It's there.
Oh. That doesn't look like what's this.
Oh, it's a big bag. If that's not a big bag, I don't know what is. All right, so if you top these up, I have a feeling we're going to have to get some more. I don't even know where you'll get what's it's from.
Online.
Probably, but when they come, they're going to be in a massive bag.
Tana?
That's probably too much. So we want to pack them down. And Leanne's thank you cards I'll pop in, and her shipping note. I don't know. The whole idea of the shipping note is for your customer to obviously know what they bought, in case it's not obvious. But it's also in case your package gets lost.
So you can look at the note.
They can look at the note, but I don't think they would do that. I've never seen a package opened and then they've gone, oh, this was not delivered. So again, I will tape that up and ship it. So thanks, Leanne, for your candle order. All right. Put that there carefully. Number 3. Do you want to do big or small?
Big.
Big. All right. So the next one is from Rebecca. So Rebecca's ordered. Not very good at seeing. Oh yeah. This one, Orchard Spice, Fireside Vibe, and Christmas Spice. So Rebecca is R, E, B, E, K, K, A. Oh, I like these pens. So again on TikTok, I saw these kind of, what are they, like glitter pens?
Yeah, outline.
But they outline in a colour. I don't know how it works, but it's pretty pretty. So I thought we'll get some to write on these cards because it's something different. Don't know if that's showing up sparkly and pink on the outside. And then it kind of matches your silver top.
Yeah.
So let's pack the right candles. So for this one, we're going to use a bigger box. I can't remember the exact size of this, but let's just call it the bigger box. Again, some what's its please. So I will keep that one to one side so we don't confuse them. I can check again later anyway. Alright, so I think what we can do, do you think they can be standing up or lying down?
Lying down.
Oh, I'm not even sure if we will fit all 3. Hang on.
I'm guessing they will.
We'll have to, or maybe standing up. Hang on. Because we need to have some cushioning. I might have to find a bigger box. What do you think? Or is it okay like that?
It's probably okay.
Because then it's not going to have cushioning around the side. So it's quite cosy.
Maybe a bigger box.
I might find a bigger box because it'd be a real shame because it's glass and I don't really want that to be. So what I'll do is I'll sort that out. I'll find a bigger box, I think, because I want them to arrive safely. So thank you, Rebecca, for your order. That's going to be on its way to you soon. I think after school tomorrow I'll visit the post office. And last but not least, Elena. I hope I said your name right. How would you say? Or Elena? Elena. There you go, you know. And there's the card. And this will need a 6x6x6. Chosen yellow.
Gold.
Okay.
It's gold.
Oh, gold. So if you can put in some what's-its, please. Put in the cheesy what's-its. Yeah, and I'll go and hunt for a bigger box. Yeah, put that in and then pack around that. More. You want to make sure that it's not going to move, and if the box gets dropped, you don't want the candle to smash, because that will not be happy.
Any more?
Yeah, I think a bit more. Okay, that's probably it. And then we'll pop this in. Oops. Can you slide that down? We probably should put it in. We should probably put it in the packing note before we put in the what's-its. But I'll sort that out later. So, Elena, thank you very much for your order of a apple and mango jar candle. All right. So what's next, Imogen?
More orders.
More orders? So you'd like more orders?
Yeah.
So I think so far we've been obviously doing these YouTube videos, although this is more for you to follow along our journey and a record for you like in future. And me, in case I forget what we've done, which is very possible. But we've posted, or I've been posting a bit on Instagram, a bit on Facebook, a bit on Pinterest, but not really kind of doing it properly because I just don't have time. But TikTok, I've been posting, and I've noticed lots more views and comments and engagement compared to Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook. So I think because we don't have much time, we'll
Maybe
just
more
focus.
people look on.
I think so. I use TikTok a lot more than all of the others. So I think if you kind of multiply that by all the people, that's more people with their eyes on TikTok. So I think we'll focus more on TikTok because it's quite fun, and I like it when people comment and engage because it's like two ways rather than we just put a picture and then you get like 4 views and it dies. So we'll try and do more on TikTok and see what happens. And that's about it for now. We just wanted to hop on and share our packaging video. All right. I hope you're all doing well, and we'll see you soon. Bye.